Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wired Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn LED control with Android application over Bluetooth protocol by using BluePill board and Arduino IDE. Let us get started. You can see this is circuit diagram. I am using here HC-05 Bluetooth module and BluePill board. This is STM32F103C8 controller, and I am using one LED and one resistor. You can see here VCC of Bluetooth module is connected to 5 volt BluePill board, and ground is connected with ground, and TX pin is connected with RX pin of BluePill board. It's A10, and RX pin Bluetooth module is connected to TX pin of BluePill board. It's A9, and this LED is connected with C13 number pin. This is circuit diagram. This LED will turn on and turn off with Android application. So now we will see Arduino programming. First of all, I will initialize LED pin. So has define LED, it's PC13, and I will declare a variable char type. It will receive data from Bluetooth. So data, it's 0. Now here I will start serial communication. Serial.begin, and I will pass here bit per second, baud rate 9600, and I will set pin mode of LED. It is as a output. I will use if statement. It will check here if data received or not. So serial.available, it should be greater than 0, then data equal to serial.read, here it will check what is the data. If data equal to A, then LED will be turned on. So digital write LED high, and here it will send a message. So serial.print LED on, and backslash n. Okay, and again it will check if data equal to small a, then I will copy this. LED will be turned off, so I will copy and edit here. LED will be turned off, so it will be low, and LED off. Okay, now code is ready. So before uploading this code, I will tell you how to install the application. I will search here Bluetooth terminal. I will install this first one. You can see Bluetooth terminal has been successfully installed. I will open this. This is Bluetooth terminal app. Now I will select here board. Board is selected STM32F103C series, and here upload method is ST-Link. Okay, it's okay. Now I will upload the code. You can see code has been uploaded. So now I will open Android application. This is Bluetooth terminal app. So first of all, I will connect this board with this app. So go to menu, device. This is HC-05 Bluetooth name. So I will click over here. Here is connecting. Wow, you can see Bluetooth has been connected. Now I will send here capital A. What's happened? Here it will be 1 and 1 1 1 1. I think now everything is correct. I will again upload. Uploading done. Now I will send capital A. Wow, you can see LED is turned on. And I will send a small a. LED is turned off. And again capital A. Wow. Small a. Cool. Capital A. Small a. You can see it's replying here. LED turn on, turn off, LED off, LED on, like this. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like my video and my work, so you can support me on PayPal and you can join my Patreon. So please do like, comment and share, and don't forget press the bell icon after subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.